COVID-19 striking hard in the Pacific Islander community. Well-known activist Margarita Sattini passing away at the age of 50 with complications from the virus. ABC4's Jason Wynn shares the impact of her work and how it will continue long after her death.
You may remember Margarita Sattini talking with our own Emily Clark about the importance of representation in the census last May.
Those programs are very dependent on the data that the census collects.
Always involved in a community project, Sattini turned her efforts towards COVID-19 because of the harm it is causing the Pacific Islander community.
Our community unfortunately still has higher than average infection rates and hospitalizations.
Sattini would add her name to the list, announcing on Facebook she contracted COVID-19 on October 19th. Tuesday morning, we learned the virus took her life. Family and friends say she got the virus while helping others in her community get tested.
Her loss leaves a really big hole in the heart of our community.
Jake Fitzsisamanu says Sattini just acquired a Communities of COVID partnership grant to help the Pacific Islander community get more coronavirus testing and support.
I think Rita's passing with complications of COVID is just another example that continues to raise awareness of the urgency.
Other community activists agree and are encouraging folks just to wear a mask.
There are going to be too many families that's going to have an empty chair. And unfortunately, Margarita's family is going to be one of them.
A vigil is scheduled for Margarita Sattini here at the Utah State Capitol at 6 o'clock on Wednesday. Those that want to come are asked to wear a mask and follow physical distancing guidelines. I'm Jason Wynn in Salt Lake City, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Jason. Governor Gary Herbert speaking out about this tonight. This is a statement he sent out, quote, "I was deeply saddened to hear that Margarita Sattini died today from COVID-19 complications. She was a passionate advocate for her community. To say she was dedicated is an understatement. She gave and gave with everything she had. Our prayers and thoughts are with all who mourn her loss tonight."